everyone and welcome to this video for international students in Italy. Today I want to talk about the CIE or Carta dell'Identità Elettronica and how to activate it via the website. As you guys can see in the news, the Meloni government are trying to shut down the speed, and because of that we are now obligated to activate our identity card. Okay, if you check this news via this link, you can read that Meloni government remains to turn off the speed, replacing it with the electronic identity card. Okay, now the question maybe you guys ask is that how we can activate our identity card. And in this video, we are trying to solve that problem for most of the international students that are not familiar with Italian language and the paperwork. Okay, for that you guys need to go to the website, and from here you guys can read what is CIE or Carta d'Identità. The CIE is an electronic identity card that is issued to Italian citizens and foreign residents in Italy, like us as international students. It contains personal data and a microchip that can be used to access various online services, especially in Italy. If you are an international student in Italy, you might need CIE for various purposes, such as accessing healthcare services, like asylum insurance or other insurance. Also, to obtain CIE or Carta d'Identità, you need to go to the local police station or comune, that they say in Italian, or other distinguished office, and submit your application and request Carta d'Identità and pay approximately 23 euro for your request. And after 1 month approximately, you're gonna receive your identity card through Poste Italiane or other posts. Once you receive your CIE, you need to activate it via the website. To do this, you need to go to the website and select the Activate CIE option here. Okay. Here you will need to enter your personal data such as your name, date of birth, and CIE number, which can be found on the back of your card. And here I'm going to do this so you can see all the process from the beginning till the end. Okay, here you're gonna need to enter your fiscal code or tax ID code, and here you will need to enter the serial number that are printed on your Carta d'Identità exactly here on top right of the card. Okay, after completing the first step, in the second step, the website gonna ask you to enter your PAC code, and the PAC code gonna be in the envelope that you will receive with your Carta d'Identità through the Poste Italiane or other post offices. Like this, you're gonna receive an envelope that with your card, and the PAC code gonna be here exactly. Okay, after completing the second step, in the third step, the website is gonna ask you to verify your mobile number and check if your mobile number is correct or not. Okay, the website is going to send you an OTP or an SMS or text, and you need to put the number here. Okay, after entering the OTP on the website, on the next step, the website is going to tell you that your username is the same as your codice fiscale or the serial number that is printed on the Carta d'Identità, And now the website is going to ask you to create a password that has at least 10 alphabetic character, a capital letter, a number, a symbol, and the password cannot contain more than 2 consecutive identical characters. Okay, now we're going to choose a password. Okay, after choosing a password for yourself, you need to check this box, and after scrolling down, click on continue. Okay, you are almost there. Now select the online services authorization mode to complete the activation of CIE credentials. You can choose how to authorize our online access, CID app or SMS. For me, SMS is better because most of the CIE application or other application in Italy are mostly in Italian, and I'm not fluent in Italian, so I think SMS is going to be more convenient for me. Okay, congratulations, you now use your credentials level 1 active, level 2 active. And how to use your level 2 temporary OTP code via SMS. Okay guys, now we complete all the steps, and our card identity now is active. It's important to note that the activation of your CIE or card identity is mandatory steps in Italy, and failure to do so may result in limitations or penalties. Therefore, make sure to activate your CIE as soon as possible after receiving it. And that's it for this video on CIE and how to activate it via the website. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. See you until next time.